Okay guys, for your dividing fractions, don't worry about this line right here, but I do want you to write down reciprocal equals flipped. What that means is that I'm going to take this fraction and I'm going to flip it. So 16/21s will actually become 21 over 16. Now this one has a whole number and a fraction, so I actually have to make it into an improper fraction first before I flip it. So 11 times 1 is 11, plus 8 is 19 over 11. So the reciprocal of it would be 11/19. Pause the video and do the next two on your own. Okay, your reciprocal should be 1/3, and your reciprocal is 5 over 1. How'd you do? Now, we are going to use the understanding of reciprocal fractions to divide fractions. So the biggest thing I want you to remember is when we're dividing fractions, we keep, change, flip. So that means we keep this first fraction as is, keep. We change our division sign to a multiplication sign. That's our change. And then we flip. We put the reciprocal. Now we can multiply across. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 2 is 8. And then we simplify. 1 and 1/8. Let's do it one more time. 2 over 7, 2, 7. Change, flip. Equals 4/7. Already in simplest form. This we have to make into an improper fraction. So let's rewrite this entire problem with the improper fraction. So 8 times 1 is 8, plus 5 is 13 over 8 divided by 1/4. Now I'm going to do the algorithm. 13 over 8 times 4 over 1. 52 over 8. How many times does 8 go into 52? 6 times. Four over 8 is my fraction, so it becomes 6, and 4/8 actually reduces down to 1/2. All right, I want you to pause the video, solve these 4 problems, and then press play to check your answers. Okay, so you kept the first fraction, changed your sign, flipped your second fraction, and you got 5/12. Again, kept, changed, flipped. Okay, I got interrupted, so I think I'm here. I apologize for that. 7/8, keep, change my division to multiplication, flip 4 over 1, so I get 32 over 8, which then is 3.5. Here, I have to make improper fractions, so I rewrote my problem. I wrote a whole division problem is 17 over 6 divided by 2/3. Now I'm going to keep, change, flip, and I get 51 over 12, and then when I simplify that, I get 4 1/4. And then the last one is we have 3/10, change to multiplication, flip to the reciprocal, 5/3. You multiply across and you get 15 over 30, which simplifies down to 1/2. Remember, if you do not simplify, your problem is wrong. So check to make sure you got these answers. Once you have got that down, then you can go ahead and flip your paper over and you can answer these 5 questions. Make sure you put your answers into the formative so that I can check them for correctness. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.